Oh, hey, Dad.
Oh, hey, sweetheart. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. I'm bored.
I'm sorry, love. What do you want to do?
I don't know. Hey, there's a big stack of wood behind you. You want to do something with that?
Hey, want to make a DIY planter box for your beans?
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea.
Let's do it. What is up, YouTube? So in this video, we are going to be building our very own DIY planter boxes. Now, I found some old fence pickets in the garage, and these fence pickets are 1x6 by 8 foot tall. They're going to work perfect for what we need them for. So let's get right in to seeing everything you're going to need so you can build your very own DIY planter boxes. Let's go. Okay, so this is what you're going to need. You're gonna need your clamps. You're gonna need to take your fence pickets and cut them to 2 different sizes. Don't forget, you're gonna have your length and your width. You're also gonna need some form of support pieces to go in each corner. In this example, I had a spare 2x6 laying around that I just cut in 2-inch sections, as you see in the lower left. You're also gonna need some wood glue, a hammer, and some finishing nails. Preferably 1 to 1.5 inch should work just fine. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're all ready to start assembling our DIY planter box. I've chosen to start off with the small planks you see here. So I'm gonna take my corner post, I'm gonna put a small line of glue right here. I'm gonna fit my corner post onto my small plank, grab my clamp it together, and then do the exact same thing on all 4 as you see right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you on step 2. Okay, so the next step, I'm gonna take my finishing nail, or also known as panel nails, and I'm gonna take and nail a nail here, 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 and here. Now I'm gonna do that on this one, and I'm gonna do it on this one right here. So, take your hammer, line it up in the middle, gently tap it in, just like that. It's that simple. We'll see you on the next step. Okay, so I'm gonna take both of my short sides, and I'm gonna stand them up on one of my long planks, just like this. Next, I'm gonna take some wood glue, and I'm gonna put a bead of glue here and a bead of glue here. Next, I'm gonna take my long side and I'm gonna set it right on top, just like this. Then I'll take some finishing nails and I'll go ahead and nail one here, 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 and here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the next part. Okay, so now that you got the short side nailed to the long side, it's time to add our bottom boards to the bottom of our DIY planter box. It's super simple. All you've got to do, super simple. All you've got to do is take one of your other long boards, line it up on the side, just like this, take the second one, and do the exact same thing. It's super simple.
It's okay if it has a little holes on the outside, because that's where the drainage will come.
Exactly. Okay, so now that you've got them lined up, you just take your little nails or your panel nails and a hammer, and you're gonna nail very carefully, because remember, these planks aren't very thick. So you're coming right in through that plank, going right into another plank, and it may split. So you gotta be very, very careful when you're doing this. Okay, so once you've got your bottom pieces laid out where you want them, you're gonna take a nail and put one nail here, and then the same thing for here, here, here. So each board will get a total of 4 nails, 2 on each side. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and nail my sides, and I'll see you in just a minute. All right, everybody, so you're all finished building your DIY planter box. If you're concerned about that space in the middle, don't worry. Just put down a couple layers of cardboard to keep your potting mix from falling out. It's that simple. If you liked the video, don't forget to click the like button down below. And until next time,